Boomhauer69 here, and today Boomhauer is going to be taste testing Tony's pizza. Here's what the pizza looks like frozen, still in the wrapping. Pepperonis go, the pepperonis don't look too bad. A taste test. Now here's what the pizza looks like after it's been fully cooked. This is what it looks like fully cooked. Now, I did notice it does look like they could have added a little more pepperonis to it, but well, there's what one of the slices looks like. Not bad. It's one of the better tasting ones than I had before.